we will guide you on how to create a Google Form survey questionnaire. If you find this helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Google Forms is one of the easiest ways to create a survey or questionnaire. In this video, we will guide you step by step, starting from creating the form to sharing it with people, and then checking the responses and data. To get started, open Google and go to the top right corner. Sign in if you are not already signed in. If you don't have a Google account, you will need one, so click on Sign In and create an account there. After signing in, go to the top right corner again and click on Google Apps. Scroll down and find the Forms option, then click on it, and it will open. Now go to the top left and click on Blank Form by pressing the plus button. The form will load, and now we can begin. First, click on Untitled Form and give your form a title. You can type whatever name you want. For example, I will name it for Explore Error Viewers. After that, you can add a description. You can write something like, "This form is for collecting data about Explore Error Viewers." Once that is done, we can start adding questions. Click on Untitled Question and type your first question. For example, I will write, "What age group are you in?" Your question can be different based on your needs. On the right side, choose the answer type. I will select multiple choice, but you can also choose short answer, checkbox, drop down, or other options. Now type the answer options. For example, 0 to 18, 19 to 30, 31 to 50, 51 to 80, and 80 plus. Once you are done adding options, you can turn on the required option at the bottom right if you want people to answer this question. Next, on the right side, you can add another question by clicking the plus button. You can also import questions, add a title and description, insert an image or video, or add sections. In this case, I will keep everything in one section and add another question. For the next question, I will type, "What is the most helpful video?" This time, I will choose short answer because it is not possible to list all videos as options. Again, you can make it required if you want. You can continue adding more questions in the same way. Once people start submitting responses, you can view them and also link the responses to a Google Sheet. You can also go to Settings and adjust options if needed, but I usually leave them as default. Finally, go to the top right corner and click on Publish. Set it to anyone with the link and click Publish. To make sharing easier, click on Shorten URL and then copy the link. You can now share this link with people so they can start answering the questions. Once you receive responses, go back to the form, click on Responses, and you can start viewing and analyzing the data. That's it.